So to start this project, you want to make sure that you get yourself some Loctite spray foam in a can. And then the next thing you're going to do is lay down a black plastic garbage bag, and you're going to mist this with some water. And then you're just going to take your spray foam and just spray out a shape. Now here you can kind of see some shapes that I've made. And once you've made your shapes, you want to make sure that you spray over the top of them with a light mist of water. And then you're going to wait about 5 minutes and just kind of let a skin form. Once that skin forms, you can peel them off of the black plastic and just start shaping them however you want. And just take your time. Now your foam will stay semi-rigid, so you can still mold it, you can curl your fingers however you want. So here what I've done is did the same process, sprayed my black plastic garbage bag with water, sprayed out my foam into a rib cage shape, made a few more bones and a spine. And it's pretty easy, so you mist that and let it set up, and then you can peel it off and just glue it together. And you can use hot glue. So here you can see the bones that I've made. And then you just spray paint them with some black and kind of dry brush them with some white. You can add some hot glue for some creepy effects. And there you have it, a cheap and easy skeleton. You can make all kinds of things with this process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for all the upcoming projects in the works. And I'll see you in the next video.